Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Comprehension. As investments in renewable energy accelerate, solar power has become increasingly efficient and affordable. Nevertheless, experts caution that energy storage limitations and irregular sunlight in certain regions prevent solar energy from fully replacing conventional power sources at present. This paragraph best supports the statement that A. Solar energy will soon eliminate all other energy sources. B. Renewable energy is unreliable in all regions. C. Solar energy still faces obstacles to complete dependence. D. Energy storage is no longer a concern. The correct answer is letter C. Solar energy still faces obstacles to complete dependence. The passage balances progress with ongoing limitations. Did you get it right?